The spread of financial literacy is as important as the spread of formal education. A citizen who understands money, credit and responsibility is more powerful than the one who merely earns. ये शब्द थे भारत के 8वें फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर यशवंत राव चौहान के। स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया 70 सालों से देश की बैंकिंग का भरोसेमंद नाम।
And we want to give the message very, very clearly that State Bank is standing with you. We have over 219 years of history. This is a special celebration because we have completed 70 years.
इंडिया का पहला बैंक जिसने यंग जनरेशन के लिए पर्सनल सेविंग अकाउंट शुरू किया।
This is one initiative of the bank in an effort to popularize and make the new generation aware about the banking and the financial services.
Catching students in grades 9, 10, 11 and 12 and getting them to prepare for something like this prepares them not just for a quiz but for life itself.
इस क्विज के जरिए बच्चों को मनी, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज और इंडिया की बैंकिंग की असली समझ देना है।
We've prepared questions on this and we've realized how Indian banking has developed from its beginnings to now.
भोपाल से लेकर बेंगलुरु, अहमदाबाद से हैदराबाद, देश के 16 राज्यों से आए स्टूडेंट्स एक लर्निंग जर्नी के साथ जुड़े। एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहां हर सवाल बना एक नया एक्सपीरियंस। स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के साथ मिलकर शुरू किया एक नेशनल मिशन जो बच्चों की लर्निंग को किताबों से बाहर ले जाए और उनकी क्यूरियोसिटी को एक नई दिशा दे। स्कूल के गेट से अंदर आते हुए ये बच्चे किसी ने दिल्ली से, किसी ने कोलकाता से, कुछ थोड़े नर्वस थे पर हर कोई पूरी तैयारी के साथ आया था।
The way that SBI has, organized this quiz and gone out to all these cities, and in fact, it's not just 16 cities because we've had students who've taken part from another 50 cities who come to these 16 cities to take part.
हर सवाल के पीछे एक कहानी थी, हर जवाब के साथ एक्साइटमेंट जुड़ा था और हर स्कोर बना एक याद जो हमेशा साथ रहेगी।
The team that was here, they were very friendly. They were distributing chocolates all around, and no, it was not, of course, just about the chocolates, but also the experience that we gained here.
We really enjoyed the competition, the quiz was very detailed. We enjoyed studying for it.
हर उठे हुए हाथ के पीछे एक सोच थी जिसमें था एम्बिशन, स्पीड, सवाल और क्लैरिटी।
When we press the buzzer and get the answer right, we feel like that our speed has worked right and whatever we had studied has helped us a lot, has paid off.
16 सिटीज, 50 लाख के प्राइजेस, 1000 से ज्यादा स्कूल्स और 4000 से भी ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स। सबका सपना एक ही था, मुंबई में ग्रैंड फिनाले जीतकर बनना नेशनल क्विज चैंपियन। तो चलिए इस सफर की शुरुआत करते हैं प्रिलिमिनरी रिटन राउंड से।
Welcome to the SBI Scholar Quiz. So, 20 questions, no negatives. In case of ties, the star mark questions will get extra weightage and further ties will be resolved through sudden death. And we are ready to start. So, established in 1806, which bank was the earliest predecessor of the State Bank of India? You have 4 choices. A, Bank of Madras. B, Bank of Bengal. C, Bank of Calcutta. And D, Imperial Bank of India.
Who was the first chairman of the State Bank of India after it was formed in 1955? Is it A, John Mathai? Is it B, Rajkumar Talwar? Is it C, P.C. Bhattacharya? Or is it D, H.V.R. Iyengar?
What is this unique 11-digit alphanumeric code that is used for online fund transfer transactions done via NEFT, RTGS and IMPS? The code can be found on checks too.
Can you please raise your hands? Alright, so they're going to come and collect your papers.
जरा बैक स्टेज में नजर डालते हैं जहां फ्यूचर चैंपियंस अभी भी तैयारी में लगे हैं।
Out in the auditorium can be matched by the excitement backstage because we are correcting not 1, not 2, but 220 papers.
ये सिर्फ एक्यूरेसी की बात नहीं थी, यहाँ स्पीड, समझदारी और दबाव में खुद पर भरोसा होना जरूरी था।
We are only going to pick the top 6 performers and it has been a massive task. The teams that have made it to the final round.
और अब सामने हैं 6 टीमें, 12 सपने, जो प्रीलिम्स की टफ लड़ाई के बाद पहुंचे हैं इस स्पॉटलाइट तक। सोचो तेज, पेंसिल पकड़ो और ध्यान लगाओ, क्योंकि अब बारी है अगले चैलेंज की। रिटन राउंड।
6 clues on your answer sheet.
9 answer options on screen,
You need to match the correct pairs.
and there are no negative points.
And let's take a look at the 9 options. That's your column B in the form of a grid. Associate Bank, 15-digit number, equity, 3-digit number, banyan tree, prevent financial crimes, real, elephant, and readily available cash.
6 of these 9 have a direct correlation to the options which the teams already have.
पेयर देम अप ने माहौल बना दिया है। अब ये 6 टीमें तैयार हैं अगले राउंड के लिए। जब तक रिटन राउंड की चेकिंग हो रही है, क्विज मास्टर ऑडियंस से सवाल पूछ रहे हैं।
Right, so what are the answers like? Now, in the audience, which of these 9 would you associate them? Who wants to attempt this?
And the answer is A, default.
Default is right.
And the answer for this question will be electronic.
अब गेम पलटने का वक्त है। पेश है डायरेक्ट ओरल राउंड, क्लॉकवाइज।
Let's start this round. Let's start direct oral. 6 questions clockwise, plus 10 on direct or pass, plus 10 or minus 7 on the pounds, and I will give you part pounds, okay, at my discretion. Shall we start? So the first question is for Team A, but Team A, discuss but keep quiet. Don't blurt out the answer on the mic. The rest of you, pounds is open. Let's see if you can get it on the pounds. Let's take a look at your question. Which prominent Indian philanthropist, known as the architect of modern Mumbai, as well as a founder director of the Great Indian Peninsular Railway, marked a symbolic victory for Indian representation by attending the Bank of Bombay's meeting after the Presidency Banks Act allowed shareholders to be present. All right, plus 10 to Team B.
So the first question will go to Team A. Established to serve the banking needs of women, this was India's first all-women financial institution, focusing on financial inclusion as well as empowerment. It was later merged with SBI in 2017. Which bank was this, and on whose 96th birth anniversary was it launched in 2013?
It originates from the Sanskrit word for seal. What is this scheme called?
Mudra.
Mudra is absolutely the right answer. Ken has the right answer, and they get a plus 10.
There's a plus 5 for Team B. Team Bravo gets a plus 5. Eco gets a plus 10, and Foxtrot gets a plus 10 as well. Excellent. Audience is the chance to clap.
अब दाव बढ़ चुके हैं। आ रहा है राउंड 3, वाइप आउट, जहां हर सवाल तुम्हारी जीत या हार तय कर सकता है।
Each team gets 1 question, 5 correct answers per team, 5 points per correct answer. Each team gets 5 chances to select the correct option. Maximum points for a team are 25, 45 seconds in all.
Team Bravo, what number do you choose?
Number 7.
Number 7, and may it be lucky for you. Nobel laureates in economics.
Abhijit Banerjee.
Abhijit Banerjee.
C.V. Raman.
C.V. Raman.
John Maynard Keynes.
John Maynard Keynes is incorrect.
Daniel Kahneman.
And it's right. You've got 3 out of 5 answers right.
Chandrasekhar Azad is incorrect, I'm afraid.
Retail.
Retail. Well done.
हमारी 16 टीमों ने दिखा दिया कि तेज सोच क्या होती है। अब देखना है क्या ये ट्विस्ट भी झेल पाएंगे। अब तैयार हो जाइए राउंड 4 के लिए, डायरेक्ट ओरल, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज।
Right? First question is yours. SBI Dash Dash is India's leading investment bank, having supported more than 3,000 clients since its inception in August 1986. Which subsidiary of SBI is this?
Did you guys go on the pounds? No. Did you guys go on the pounds? Yes.
You're going for both parts. And it's a plus 10 for you. Well done.
46, 51, 63, 75 is all very close together.
We have Amity International School, Navi Mumbai with 23.
इस राउंड में था प्योर थ्रिल, और अब हम आ चुके हैं सबसे तेज जोन में, राउंड 5, द बजर राउंड।
So the first team that presses the buzzer, it's a constant light. The second one, it's a fast blinking light. The third one, it's a slow intermittent light.
If you buzz and your answer is incorrect, you'll get a minus 5.
What is the term for the process where a bank allows customers to withdraw more money than they have in their account up to a pre-approved limit? Okay, somebody's pressed the buzzer. Somebody's pressed the buzzer.
Yes, team 5.
Is correct. Well done.
affordable to both middle as well as lower middle class families in India? Team E.
Maruti Suzuki.
Maruti is the right answer. +8 to you. Team D. Not Humayun. That's a -5. Sorry, Team Delta.
Which major city, the most populous in a neighboring country, was the location of the first overseas branch established? Yes, Team F.
Colombo.
Is the right answer. Well done. Well done.
It feels really good to win. We gave our best, but then we came second place by 2 points. This is a learning experience for us.
It feels great. Yes, there were some questions that we were not able to answer, which were like known to us, but yes, it feels great.
And I was really happy to see the enthusiasm of children also. Wonderful children, wonderful gathering.
Thank you all, and I wish you all the best for the next years to come, and best wishes to the teams for qualifying for the semi-finals.
Hello, Moto.
Do the moto moto.
Moto G96 5G segments undisputed all-rounder.
जब दांव पर हो धरती का भविष्य, तब साहसी लोग बढ़ाते हैं कदम। M3M फाउंडेशन और ड्राइव की मशाल ग्रीन फेलोशिप एक नई शुरुआत, एक उज्जवल और सतत कल को रोशन करने के लिए है तैयार।
हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो सामाजिक समस्याएं हैं वो इन्हीं यंग इनोवेटर्स के जरिए अगर हम लोग समाधान ढूंढ पाएं तो मुझे लगता है इससे बढ़िया कोई बात नहीं हो सकती है।
देश के हर कोने से क्लासरूम से निकली ये 16 टीमें। हर एक टीम अपने स्टेट का प्राइड बनकर यहाँ पहुंची हैं। और अब मुंबई सिर्फ एक शहर नहीं, एक टेस्ट, इंडिया का फाइनेंशियल सेंटर, एक ऐसा शहर जो बना है एम्बिशन पर।
So we're just about to start the semi-final rounds of the SBI Scholar Quiz 2025.
I think SBI has done a great job with this quiz because it's never too early to start thinking about banking, about your money, about how to safeguard it, about how to invest it.
इन्होंने सिटीज पार की, दबाव को झेला और जो इन्होंने इस पल में हासिल किया शायद ही कोई समझ पाए।
16 teams have come from 16 cities. One team from Mumbai, one team that's driven down from Pune, one team that's come all the way from Agartala. So we are pretty much covering the whole country. They will start with that written round score, and then we will blitz through 4 rounds to see out of each semi-final one team that will go into the grand finale tomorrow. The first semi-final of the SBI Scholar Quiz 2025. Can we have now the real smiles and a real round of applause for all 4 teams on stage?
एक एक करके चुने जा रहे हैं चैंपियंस।
So each team you'll get one question. All right, we'll start with team A, go on to team B, then C, then D. As always, you will be able to pick the number, and behind that there is a question. All right, there will be one clue. The first clue will be simply an opening statement. That opening statement is a cryptic clue. There is a little twist in it. It could be a play on words. It could be an example of what we're asking. Okay? It's going to just give you a little bit more to think of. All right?
अब चैंपियंस पर है ऐसा प्रेशर जो पहले कभी नहीं देखा। सवाल तेज और दाव हर पल ऊंचे हो रहे हैं।
Peacock.
Peacock. What a wonderful answer. They didn't wait for all 3 clues.
What is the full form? Team A.
Anti-money laundering.
Anti-money laundering is the right answer. Plus 8 to you, Team A.
We believe it is stagflation.
Stagflation is the right answer. 5 points to you.
We will simply ask you to give us a number between 1 and 8, and that's what you're going to get. Which one? Team A.
6.
Number 6. Let's take a look.
Closure.
Absolutely correct. That's 5 points for foreclosure. Well done, Team A. Well done, 10 points. It is interest rate. Very, very well done.
Hang Seng.
Hang Seng it is. Well done. Gets you 5 points in the nick of time. Which African country? Yes.
Zimbabwe.
Is the correct answer. Well done.
5 seconds to go, Team A. And that's time. No answer from them. Okay. only Team D. Is the right answer. Plus 10 to you, Team D.
Tenzing Norgay. That's the right answer. Well done.
और अब हमारा सम्मान उन 4 टॉप टीमों के लिए जो अब खड़ी होंगी फाइनल बैटल में। SBI स्कॉलर क्विज 2025 का ग्रैंड फिनाले।
Can we have a huge round of applause for the teams? This was semi-final number 4, but right till the last question, we were not sure of which the 4th team in the grand finale was going to be. But can we now request the team winning, which is Team D, to come up here along?
Teacher, please.
Students really performed well in the semi-finals, and they are ready to perform in finals.
I am really proud of my students. It's the only girls team breaking all the stereotypes.
We decided to play safe and play calm.
This winning today has just proved that anything in finance, anything in commerce, they are the best. Congratulations to my students who have done not only the college proud, but also their parents.
Our strategy in 2 lines: aggressive but composed, risk taking at the right time.
Message to my opponents is the same: good luck and beware.
Yeah, so it was a really nice experience for me. Hope you felt the same.
I always say may the best person win, and today I feel like we both should be winning.
See you at the finals.
See you at the finals.
4 चैंपियंस टीमें, एक आखिरी मंच। मुंबई तैयार है SBI स्कॉलर क्विज का चैंपियन चुनने के लिए। आ चुका है फाइनल शोडाउन का दिन।
4 teams representing 4 different cities joined us on stage after a thrilling series of semi-finals yesterday in the evening. This morning we played 6 rounds of quizzing, and you could see that there was excitement, but you could also see nervousness.
I don't believe luck plays any role in it. It's all planned, pre-planned by God. That's it. No luck, nothing. I don't believe in luck.
Definitely feeling good, and I'm definitely pumped up for the finals.
We did what we can. Now, whatever happens is not in our hands.
It was not easy at all, but since it's the finals, we'll give our best.
मुंबई ने इन्हें परखा है, मुंबई ने इन्हें चुना है।
Welcome to the SBI Scholar Quiz 2025. This is our inaugural outing, and who knows how many more we will have to make sure that our young and the teachers and parents that accompany them will get more financially aware as the years go by. So I'd like to present to you my co-quiz master Kunal Savarkar.
ये है ग्रैंड फिनाले, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
All of you, keep your hands on the buzzers and keep your fingers on the pounds, okay? Let's go. SBI launched something in 1998 to tap the potential of NRIs for the country's development. Yes, team A.
NRI bonds?
Is incorrect, and that's a -5.
क्या महसूस कर रहे होंगे वो? गर्व, दबाव, हम सोच भी नहीं सकते।
वो जो प्रेशर होता है जब आप उस हॉट सीट पर होते हैं, जब आप स्टेज पर होते हैं, सारी निगाहें आपकी तरफ होती हैं और आपके ऊपर वो प्रेशर होता है हर क्वेश्चन सही देने का, क्योंकि जीत जो भी प्राइज होता है वो आपके लिए वेट कर रहा होता है सिर्फ एक सही आंसर की तरफ।
Now we're in the last round, and the last round, interestingly, can make or break fortunes. As always, it ends with the buzzer round. The answer is a 3-letter acronym.
Resurgent India bonds.
They're right.
Is the right answer. +8 to you. Buzz in whenever you think you're certain. Fantastic answer, Team C. You get a +10.
+10 to Team A. Well done.
Well done. +10 to Team B.
And that's a -3, I'm afraid, to Team B.
+5 to Team D.
-3 to Team B.
Well done, Team C, for picking up those 8 points. And with that, we come to the end, as Kunal said, of a 3-month odyssey of huge travel and quizzing expedition that we set off on at the end of April. Thank you so much for every contribution to this quiz. But leading the quiz at this time with a handsome lead of 30 points at 95 is the team that's from Delhi Public School, Mega City, Kolkata.
And thank you to the quiz masters. Congratulations once again to each of the teams for making it onto the stage. We will of course get to the winners.
Congratulations to the winning team. I am thankful to my chairman, thankful to Times of India, and thankful to all the participants, all the schools, all the teachers who could participate in this and making it a huge success.
May I first request the team which finished 4th today, that's the team from HR College.
हर शहर से इस मंच तक उन्हें उनके सपने लाए हैं। हम सैल्यूट करते हैं सिर्फ विनर्स को नहीं, हर उस स्टूडेंट को जिसने हिम्मत दिखाई।
The time has come to crown the national champions of the first SBI Scholar Quiz 2025. Can we have the winning team from Kolkata, DPS Mega City? Congratulations. And may I request the teachers to join us on stage as well. Congratulations.
Well done.
For me, quizzing is not just quizzing, it's an emotion, something that I enjoy, something that I live. And most importantly, quizzing as we see it now is not just knowing random facts. It's about knowing how diverse this world is, how many different things there are, how well we can connect this. It makes you smarter, not just more knowledgeable. So that is why quizzing is so much of importance.
ये क्विज सिर्फ नॉलेज नहीं, एक बेहतर फ्यूचर की सोच भी साथ लाया है।